Good. Okay, guys, you guys asked me, I'm in the 747-8 simulator. You guys asked me what all the clicking sounds are on this aeroplane as it takes off and also when it lands. So the clicking sounds are, one of them is the auto brake going to off as the aircraft lifts off from the RTO position. And the other one is the landing gear lever lock, which allows you to raise the landing gear when the landing gear is tilted just after liftoff. If it isn't tilted, then you won't hear that click because it will stop you raising the landing gear. I'm with Ronald here. And Graham, how's it going? Hi Ronald. Good.
Hi.
So you guys are going to do a takeoff on 25 center in Hong Kong, clear for takeoff. And I want to show these guys. So there's the auto brake when it focuses. Graham, yeah. That's the auto brake. It's in RTO at the moment, which is rejected takeoff. And there's the landing gear lever. If you notice, just above it is a lever lock override over here. So it's lock override. So sometimes you can use that. So we're going to take off. You're clear for takeoff. Wind is 1610. Set thrust.
Clear for takeoff.
And let's see if we can hear the clicking that goes on. Lifting off, immediately it gets airborne. Hear that click? That's the auto brake going off.
Positive rate. Gear up. Gear up.
And that's it.
Okay.
So that's the click you hear just after liftoff is the auto brake going to off. And the lever latch also moves away. And now let's talk about the landing. I'll put it back onto the approach for a landing and you hear the same clicks. Okay, now we're on the approach. We're going to do a landing, and we're going to. I'm going to show you the clicking that you get as well on a landing. 25 center, Hong Kong. We've got auto brakes 3 set up on there. Show them the auto brake. Just point it out there. There's the auto brake is 3 for deceleration, and ordinarily we leave the auto brake in to decelerate the aeroplane. But immediately Graham lands the aircraft and he wants to take over manually and to disconnect the auto brake, he'll apply pressure with his feet on the brake pedals and that will disconnect that. And you hear another click during landing. That's the click you'd hear on the landing. Okay, you guys are moving. You're clear to land. 25 center. The wind is 160 at 10. You're on the move.
Checklist. Landing checklist is complete. Check.
Yeah, Graham is going to do a top-notch landing here.
Yeah, you jinxed it now. Flare arm.
Check.
Disconnecting autopilots. Right director.
Check.
Manual thrust.
That's the auto throttle being disconnected, that sound. And you also heard the autopilot being disconnected earlier. 1000.
Stable.
Check.
So the pilot monitoring side, you got the terrain selected there. Here's the terrain. There. And also the VSD, vertical situation display. clear sight. It's got weather selected for the approach.
500.
Check. +3, 900.
+100.
On speed, 950.
Minimums. Continue. $50, $40, $30, $20, $10. See, jinxed it.
Speed brake up.
On the ground, and
Red, green.
when it takes over manual braking, see what happens to that. There it is, that's manual braking.